All right, today is tax day, and if that's got you stressed out, have no fear. Joining us this morning is Chef Janon Bourgeois with some stress-free, stress-reducing foods. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Abby. Don't we need it?
We do.
Don't we need
the
it?
Stress relief.
Whew. Well, I've really tried to drill down, get a little sciencey on you today.
Okay.
So for this first segment, we're gonna really talk about B12. Do you know a lot about B12?
I know that it gives you energy.
It does. It's great for your brain health. It increases your mood and your energy level.
Oh.
Do you know why?
Why?
Okay, this is the craziest thing I learned. So what it helps do is create a sheath over your nerves.
Oh.
Have you ever heard, right?
A nerve sheath.
If a nerve needs a sheath, I was like, yes, that's just puts you right in the
Yes.
right place.
Okay.
So it also helps with blood formation, which is one of those things, of metabolism, which helps your energy, right? So get your B12 on, y'all.
Okay, where can we find it?
Easiest, peasiest place. Fortified cereals. You've heard this,
Oh.
like fortified, vitamin rich.
Yeah,
Well, usually it's because they're boosting in the calcium and the B12. Now, I spent way too long in the cereal aisle for y'all, and this was the one. Cheerios. It's called Cheerios Hearty Nut Medley. Has the
Oh.
highest amount of B12 vitamins. So you're gonna get more for your money on this particular cereal. But don't neglect, if you need a little of that childhood sort of, obviously the endorphin rush is what we're looking for. So try your breakfast cereals. Another sort of childhood favorite. Do you guys remember Jigglers?
I do remember Jigglers.
Do you remember? As soon as I said Jigglers, I thought you'd like it.
I was so excited when I saw this.
You can get these little silicone molds, right? These little pop from beneath ones. But essentially, all you're doing is making your regular Jell-O, and you're using half the amount of liquid. So instead of 2 cups of liquid, you're using 1 cup of liquid. Have a cup of boiling water just to dissolve the granules, and then a fruit juice, right? A B12 patch, something like tart cherry or pomegranate, right? Intensifies those beautiful jigglers. Now, key point. Spray your pan, y'all. Chef Janon did not this morning, and therefore you have less of a beautiful display.
It's a little sticky, right?
It's a little sticky. But here in the newsroom, we don't mind. We're just going to tear into it
We
as soon as the cameras stop rolling. Now,
I might do it right now.
Please do. The most B12 rich, one of the most amazing B12 rich foods.
Yes.
You want to hear?
Yes.
Clams, y'all.
Oh.
Clams per capita,
Sorry.
right? So I know this is not a seafood loving room. I already know when I walked in, but I had to share this news. Thank you. I had to share this news because clams per serving have the highest richness of B12 vitamins.
Okay.
So making an easy peasy clam dip. I gave you the recipe, sent it over to Abby this morning. But essentially, you're just using Boursin cheese, right? The garlic herb.
Love this stuff.
I cut it because it's a little too strong for the clams. You lose the clam flavor. But you use the Boursin cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and the clams. That's it, y'all. Sprinkle with a little everything but the bagel seasoning. And then you also get the benefit of a beautiful springtime veggie, something crunchy, something fresh to kind of get you in that right positive mindset. And then you get all that B12 boost in those clams.
I was going to say, this looks beautiful, and I would love to try it for you, Chef Janon, but I'm filled up on Jigglers right now.
Too much. She's had too much Jell-O, y'all.
Yes.
But B12, any of the B vitamins are great for you, right? It's going to nourish you, but look for that B12, y'all.
Okay, B12, our new best friend, our new BFF, if you will. Okay, I will get those recipes posted on our website, fox21news.com, in the next half hour or so. In the meantime, where can people find you?
Oh, just Google Chef Janon, y'all. ChefJanon.com. It's getting a beautiful new revamp. It's all gorgeous. We just had to make a few extra updates to all of my wonderful Fox 21 videos. I got to get those connected. But you can email me at chefjanon@gmail, or of course check me out at Instagram, Chef Janon. It's kind of hard to miss me.
Okay, we got more stress-free, stress-reducing recipes coming up next hour with Chef Janon, so make sure you stay tuned. In the meantime, it's 6:29. We'll be right back after this short break.